Hello guys, welcome to Shai Revisited channel. In today's video, I will talk about LinkedHashMap and show you what is the difference between LinkedHashMap, TreeMap, and HashMap. So let's get started.
Before that, if you are new to our channel, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the bell button to receive the latest notification.
So a LinkedHashMap is a hash table and linked list implementation of the map interface with predictable iteration order. This implementation differs from HashMap in that it maintains a public linked list running through all of its entries, and this linked list defines the iteration ordering, which is normally the order in which keys were inserted into the map, or we know as insertion order. In the last few tutorials, we have discussed about HashMap and TreeMap, so this class is different from both of them. HashMap doesn't maintain any order, and TreeMap sort the entries in ascending order of keys, and our LinkedHashMap maintains the insertion order. So I will take an example for you guys to easier to understand. As you can see here, I already created a HashMap and a TreeMap which have the same content. So now I will create a LinkedHashMap here, which will have same content as two HashMap and TreeMap. Here we change TreeMap into LinkedHashMap. I will change the name. Here also LinkedHashMap. So now let's run the program. So as you can see here, the ordering of keys in the HashMap is in random order because I input John first, then Anna, then Hank, and then Bill. However, in the result here, we have Hank first, then John, then Bill, then Anna, which show that in HashMap, it save the key in the random order. And then we have TreeMap, and the keys of TreeMap are in sorted order. As you can see, we have Anna, then Bill, then Hank, and then John. And in LinkedHashMap, we have the keys are ordered by the insertion order. It means that it have the order, the exactly the same order as we input in the LinkedHashMap. Like I said, I input John first, then Anna, then Hank, and then Bill. So we have the same result here: John, Anna, Hank, and Bill. So in summary, we use HashMap when performance is critical and the ordering of keys doesn't matter, and we will use TreeMap when keys need to be ordered using the natural ordering or by a comparator. And finally, we use LinkedHashMap if the insertion order of the keys should be preserved. And that's the end of today's tutorial. If you guys have any question regarding today's topic or regarding to Java, please comment below and I will answer all of your questions as soon as possible.
And that's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. If you guys like this video, please give us a like and comment your opinion below. In the next video, I will talk about concurrent HashMap in Java. So see you guys in the next video.